got these wonderful questions that are falling under chemical bonding, and specifically this is ionic bonding. So whenever we are talking about ionic bonding, you need to know and understand that this is the transferring of electrons from a metal to a non-metal. So metals are losing, non-metals are gaining. And what is formed is a bond. What is a bond? A bond is a force of attraction. So the type of attraction that exists whenever we are talking about ionic bonds, those are strong electrostatic forces of attraction. And we've got this question that is saying, write the formation of the following compounds. What is a compound? You know and understand that a compound is just a chemical combination of two or more elements or substances. Chemical combination. So we've got the first one here. The first one is called the calcium chloride. The next one is magnesium oxide. My assignment is very simple. I answer this one, you answer the second one. Agreement. Let's make an agreement. I answer the first one, you answer the second one. The same way I'm going to answer the first one. This is how you're supposed to answer this one. So I just want you to get an understanding. So the way it is that what you are going to do here, you are going to say that, okay, these are the questions that I'm given. I need to know how to come up with correct chemical formulas. So you need to know how to come up with correct chemical formula. This is calcium. Calcium is from group 2 of the periodic table. So meaning the valence is 2. This is chlorine. So chlorine, group 7 of the periodic table, meaning the valence is 1, negative, it is gaining. So what is happening is that the valences are going to interchange. This 2 goes there, this one will be there. So we are going to form calcium like this, then chlorine with a 2 here. So it will be called a chloride. So this is calcium chloride. So how many atoms of chlorine am I having? 2. How many atoms of calcium am I having? Only 1. So meaning that I'm going to draw 2 diagrams for chlorine, and the calcium will be just on the middle. This is what I'm doing. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to put the chlorine this side. So this is chlorine. I do this. Then I'm going to put the calcium here. This is the calcium. I put another chlorine this side. I know and understand that, okay, 2 atoms for chlorine, one calcium there. So this is the calcium that is here. If they are just 1, you just need to say, okay, this one and that one. Then I show the bonding. So make sure you get an understanding. I'll be checking through the comments and seeing how you guys are answering. Okay, so we say, okay, this is chlorine. What's the valence for chlorine? Okay, so in the first, you know that chlorine is like this. Maybe there's someone who doesn't know. We've got a 17 there, and we've got 35.5. Calcium is like this, 20 there, and the 40 on top. So what we are doing in the first shell, we are going to have how many atoms? In the first shell, we are just going to have 2. So we are going to have 2. In the second shell, we've got how many atoms? 8. I guess you know this. For us to reach chemical bonding, it means you know how to draw structural formulas. The next one, you've got how many? We've got how many? 7. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to put 2, 4, 6, 7. I put that one there. This is what I'm doing. So let me separate this so that at least I need to have some space like this. First shell, I'm putting, this is calcium, I put 2. So to differentiate the 2, I use stars. Second one, I'm using stars, so I need to have 8. 8. Second one, it is 8. Put 8 like that, 8. So I put 8 like this. The last one, the last shell, I need to have 2. So this one there, this one the other side. So this is what I am doing. I move to the next one. Add the chlorine this side. So I'd what? Chlorine this side. So to separate the 2. So I'd chlorine this side. I know that first shell I need to have 2. Second shell, and I guess you know how to write the electronic configuration. For this one it is 2, 8, 7. For that one it is what? 2, 8, 8, 2. I guess you know that. That is electronic configuration. You need to know that one. So this is 8. I put 8 here. I put 8 like that. This one I put 7. So 2, 4, 6, 7. So when I was starting, I said that what gets to happen is that chlorine or non-metals are gaining while metals are losing electrons. This is what is happening. So this one goes there so that it becomes stable. Even this one goes there so that this one becomes stable. This is your question. This is a question that I've given you. Magnesium oxide. I want you to show what I'm doing here. So let me lab this part on top so that I write the final answer. So my final answer will now be, this one will be like this. This is chlorine like this. So I say first shell, there are 2. Second shell, how many are there? 8. So I put 8. This is what I'm doing. Third shell, how many are there? There are 80. There is one that has come from calcium. So I do this, then I put in brackets, square brackets like this. Here I show that it has gained 1. I put a positive saying that it has, so I put a negative. It has gained 1. I need to put a negative there. I go to calcium. Calcium is like this. So first shell, I need to put 2. Second shell, I need to put 8. There are 8. So this is what I'll be doing. I put 8 like that. Then the last shell, I put, have you seen? This is the last shell. I'm going to put 8. This one is removed because I just had 2. It has given away. So the last shell is removed. I'm just remaining with 3 shells. So I put 8 there. There are 8. Like this, I put 8. I put 8 like that, just like that. The last one is chlorine. So I put 2 there and a plus. Because it is doing what? It is giving 2. One this side, one this other side. Here I put the chlorine 1. So chlorine this one it has gained. So meaning that I say chlorine, then I've got this one, I put 2. How many? 8. I put 8. So this is what you need to do. I put how many? 8. It has gained 1. So it has gained 1 from calcium. So like this. There are 8. Then I do this. Then there I put a negative because it is gaining. So I need to put a negative there. So I put a negative there, showing that it is doing what? Gaining. So this is the what? Structural formula for calcium chloride. This is what you are supposed to do. Just like this. Hope you've seen how I've answered this question. And this is how you're supposed to answer the other questions. This is your question. So let me see how you're going to answer this one. You just show just like this. Those of you that are interested in starting lessons with me, mathematics, physics, biology, make sure you WhatsApp me on my number, which is +26 0971 06 6747. That's my number. You WhatsApp me or you call me. I'm going to help you prepare for your exams. Thank you so much.